Creating subtasks in Airtable can help you manage complex projects by breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps. Here's how to create subtasks in Airtable. Create a base and table. Start by creating a base in Airtable if you don't already have one. Add the table that represents the task or projects you're working on. Add a tasks table. In the table, create a tasks table with fields such as task name, assigned to, due date, and status. Add a linked record field. To create subtasks, add the linked record field. This field will link each task to its parent task. Click the plus button at the top of your table to add a new field, then choose Link to another record. Link it to the tasks table itself so you can associate subtasks with parent tasks. Add subtasks. Under the parent task, create records in the table for each subtask. In the linked record field, link each subtask to its corresponding parent task. Track progress. Use fields like status or checkbox to mark subtasks as complete, helping you track the progress of each task.